Question number 7, say, show that a matrix A is given. The matrix A is given as 1, -1, 5, then -1, then 2, and then 1. This is 5, 1, 3. And we have to show that it's a symmetric matrix. The concept is that for a matrix, matrix to be symmetric, A should be equals to A dash. A should be equals to A dash. Like if I take the transpose, they should be same. So if I take a transpose of it, so it will be 1, -1, 5, -1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 3. They are same, therefore symmetry. Got it? Exactly.
Yes.
So that's why it is symmetric. Now, second one, show that it says skew symmetric. Next page I will do. It says skew symmetric. So later matrix is given as A. This is given as 0, -1, 1, 1, 0, -1, -1, 1, 0. We have to show it's skew symmetric. See what happens in skew symmetric. Find the A dash. So that will be 0, 1, -1, -1, 0, 1, 1, -1, 0. Fine?
Yeah.
Got it? So now, what happened? The sign got changed. This thing you observe. See, the sign got changed. This thing you observe.
Yeah.
The sign got changed. This thing you observe. The sign got changed. Therefore, what we can say, A equals to minus of A dash. That's why it says skew symmetric. Understand?
Yes. Sorry, I was muted.
Symmetry. We have to see question number 10. It is. In this question, we have to do express the following as a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. So the formula, if a matrix A is given as 3, 5, 1, and -1, to find the symmetric matrix, for symmetric matrix, the formula is 1/2 A plus A dash. This is for symmetric matrix. And to find a skew symmetric matrix, it is 1/2 A minus A dash. Okay, A minus A dash is given. Got it? Now you have to just apply the formula for this one. So first I will show you. Like let P is the symmetric matrix, so the formula is A plus A dash. And Q is the skew symmetric matrix, so it is A minus A dash. So done. So now that 1/2 will be as it is, and now A is what? 3, 5, 1, and minus, and we have to add to this A complement. So it is 3, 5, 1, minus. Got it?
Yeah.
We have to add this. So it will be half. 3 plus 3, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, and this is -2. Understand? Now divide by 2.
Yes.
So this is 3, 3, 3, -1. This is the symmetric matrix you got. This is the symmetric matrix. And to get the symmetric matrix, you just subtract them. I can see from here only. 3 minus 3 is 0, 5 minus 1 is 4, 1 minus 4 is -4, and 0. Got it? And then divide by 2. So that will be 0, 2, -2, 0. So Q is skew symmetric, P is symmetric. And now what they are saying, to show that the sum. So sum means what? Sum means what? The matrix A.
Addition of.
Yeah, the matrix A will be P plus Q. If you do P plus Q, you will get it. Okay? If you do matrix. So got it? A is equal to P plus Q. When you will add this P plus Q, you will be getting what? If you add this, so 3 plus 0 will be 3. 3 plus 0 will be 3. 3 and 2 will be 5, and this is 1, and this is minus.
Yeah.
Understand? And the same thing you have to do for
Yes.
children. Okay, do it.